Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Marble here with a quick lesson on money. So before we get started with the lesson, I want to review the values of our money, the names and the amounts. So as you can see, I have them already set up on the side. And I want to go over the names, how you spell them, and their values. So this is kind of fun. You can play along too. So if you know the answer of the question I asked, go ahead and shout it out. I'll definitely hear you. So up top we have, anyone? It's a dollar. Good job. And the way we spell a dollar is D-O-L-L-A-R. Now who remembers the value of a dollar or how we write it? Did you say $1.1000? Is that what you said? Good job. All right, next up, what is this? Who remembers what this is? Half dollar. Good job. And it's H-A-L-F, and then dollar again. D-O-L-L-A-R. And what is the value of a half dollar? Shout it out. Did you say 50 cents? Awesome. 50. Don't forget our cent sign. All right, next up, what's this coin? Is it a quarter? You got it. This one's a hard one to spell. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. And what is the value of a quarter? Good job, 25 cents. All right, next up, a dime, D-I-M-E, and it is what's the value? 10 cents, fantastic. And next we have a nickel. N-I-C-K-E-L. And the value? 5 cents. Okay, last but not least, we have our good friend, the penny. P-E-N-N-Y. And its value is 1 cent. Alright, so now that we did a quick review, next I want to go over how we count our money, and we use our count on method. So that means that we are going to count on by 25s, by 10s, by 5s, and then by 1s. We're not going to stop and say 25 plus 10 and count on our fingers, 25, 26, 27, 28. No, we're so smart. We're going to remember how we count by 10s or by 5s. And let's go over that. So first, I'm going to put up a bunch of coins. And you're going to help me on this one, and I'm going to kind of pop off the screen so we can use the board. So here are all my coins. Alright, here's all my money. So first off, you can use our numbers along the side to help remember our values. But I want to know how much I have here. So the first thing I'm going to do, and this is always the first thing you do if you're going to count coins, is you're going to order them from the biggest coin, not the biggest size, but the biggest value, down to the smallest value. So, go ahead and point to which one you think would be first. Did you point to this quarter? Or maybe this quarter? You're right. They are first. So I'm going to do a little rearranging and get our quarters first. Okay, I don't have any more quarters. So now what will be next? Go ahead and point. Good. Did you point to this dime? Or maybe this dime? Or maybe this one? I hope so. And all three of them would go next. So let's do. Okay. Next, we have 2 coins left. Two different coins. Which one would be next? If you pointed to the nickel, you got it. Pat yourself on the back. And the only thing we have left are our pennies. Okay, so we have ordered our coins from biggest value to smallest values. We have quarter, quarter, dime, 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 nickel, nickel, penny, penny. And let's quickly review our values of each coin. 25 cents, 25 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, 1 cent, and 1 cent. So we're going to go and count the value to see how much money we have. And I want you to count along with me, but please remember we want to count on our value. So let's do it together. Our first coin is a quarter. So it is, what's our value? 25 cents. Great job. And if we add another quarter to 25 cents, what do we get? Shout it out. I can't hear you. Oh, good. You said 50. Awesome. So, 25, 50. Now, the next coin is a dime. So now we need to start using our counting by 10. So if we go 25, 50, count by 10, what do we get? 60. Great job. Count by 10 again, we get 60. We get 70. And let's do the next one since we're still counting by 10s. And then 80. Excellent. All right. Now take a look. Next is a nickel. So we need to start counting by 5. Not by 10s anymore. But let's go back up to the start just to make sure we're on track. 25, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now by 5. 85. What's next? Another 5. 90. Great job. Now we count by ones. 91. 92. So I have all of this is 92 cents. And I hope you counted with me. Maybe I'm going to take that 92 cents and go buy the class a treat. All right. So, boys and girls, I want you to make sure you're practicing counting your coins using our counting on method and by counting by 25s, 10s, 5s, and then 1s. But before I go, I have a challenge question. And if you watch this video and you can answer the challenge question, you can come and tell me, I might give you a little prize. So here's our question. Mr. Marble wants to buy a new toy for Stella. Here's the toy. You think Stella would like that? I think she would. And I'm going to put some money up on the board, and you need to tell me, does he have enough money to buy it? I'm going to change up the order to trick you. Okay, so I have added a few coins at the top. I rearranged coins to try and confuse you, but I'll go over the question one more time. Mr. Marble wants to buy a new toy for Stella. And here's how much money he has. I'll give you a minute to look at it. Here's the toy he wants to buy her. And it costs that much money. Does he have enough money to buy it for her? So, once you figure out the answer, come on back to class and you let me know. Does he have enough money to buy Stella a new toy? I sure hope he does because she needs one. Alright, boys and girls, keep practicing your money. I'll see you later.